Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I will be assembling this CHEEZYIT full-sized gaming chair. Right on top we have a box. This is number 4 here. And looks like I'm going to need some scissors. Or actually I have my little opening device here. Okay, so I have a smaller one of these chairs also, and pretty cool. So, all right, in this box we have our wheels. Looks like our little piston and our side the end portions for the side of the chair there. Okay. Here we have one of the arms. Nice metal there. We have our Allen key and screws. Oh wow. Look at that. That is really nice. Just happens to be my favorite color. Wow, that is really cool looking actually. Look at that nice green stitching there. That looks really cool, accent stitching on that. Okay. We have the little CHEEZYIT lumbar pillow there. We have our legs for the bottom of the chair here. Everything's nice and wrapped, well protected here. Here's one of the portions for the chair. 2, we're gonna have 5 of these. 3. Oops. Put that in there. 4 and 5. There we go. What we got here? Here is our, man, really well wrapped here. All right, there's that. Got a little glove here. We can use that if we want to help assemble it. Here's our other armrest, nice and solid. Here's our chair portion. I think it might take more time to unbox this than actually do the assembly video. There's that. Okay. And here we have the bottom of the chair. This is did you see any instructions in there? Ah, there they are. Open that up. Very nice. So our instructions. Okay, my friends, we're about ready. Let's get this thing assembled, shall we? Look at that, my goodness. I really like the stitching on there. Looks really fantastic, actually. Okay, so here we go. Let's get our base going here. So pretty much we're just going to attach these onto there. Just like this. There's 2. These are all nice solid metal pieces here. It'll be fairly sturdy, I would think. Okay, that reveals those, and we're going to attach our M6 screws, which are the 14 millimeter QM6s, and we're gonna need 14 of those, so I think that's all of them. Let's get our Allen key out of there as well, if we can. Come on, little Allen key, come out of there. Okay, so then these, we just screw these in the bottom here, easy as pie. Probably just get going on multiples here. Oh, let's get in there, shall we? There we go. Start going with that. And there we go. Just pretty much hand tighten these as much as possible. Get another one started there. Okay. Okay. We're rolling. We got a few more to do here. And we are done. Just make sure if they don't go in easily, then just back it out and make sure it's going in there nice and straight. You should just be able to hand tighten these. If you can't, it's probably cross-threaded. You just want to back it out a little bit and then screw it back in. Okay. There's that. I'm missing a screw here. Dun dun. Okay. I was missing a screw, but I found it. All right, there we go. Now these are all mostly tightened in there. I'll just take my Allen key and finish those off. There's one. There we go. Put these in pretty snug. Go to our next one. Tighten that down. And go back to the next one next to it. Okay. All right. We are cruising. There's another one. Tighten that down a little bit. Okay, check my microphone, make sure it's recording. Nothing more fun than finding out that you make a half-hour video and your sound's not working. There's that. Okay, give it a little spin. Should be our last ones here. There's that. Nice and snug. There we are. Okay, that's pretty good right there. We'll get our wheels. Snap our wheels into place. Okay, so these are nice little wheels here. So I should just be able to give them a nice little push on there. Take a little bit of elbow grease to get these in here though, my friends. You gotta, it's kind of hard. Just make sure your fingers are out of the way. So don't put your fingers like this. I want to make sure they're out of the way, out of the line of fire there. And you can just kind of push those in. Just kind of rock back and forth. I get my heel portion on the wheel, and then gives you more force to put it in there. Some of these can be a little tricky. So like I said, just be careful. I'm putting my fingers over here and then making sure that we're gonna push straight down onto that. Some of these go in pretty easy and some are a little bit harder. So here we go. I think that first one was the most difficult one. And there is that. Rolls around nicely. After pressing the casters into the holes at the end, I think we can just put that down there. That looks really smooth. Okay, and then we can put this in there, just like that. Okay, then we align the seat plate over the pre-drilled holes. Okay. We're gonna get our seat out here and just flip that over. So the front, it will be indicated. This is the front of the chair here, and front showing the front. And this is the front here. So this has this right here. It's showing you the front, making sure that we get that on the front portion there. Okay, so we line all those up. And then we take the MX 20 millimeter bolts, and those are the M8s 20 millimeter. Okay, so we're gonna get the eyes out. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. So this slid down. Make sure the front is the front. And same thing as those other ones. Just kind of get your things going in there a little bit and just hand tighten. That's all you need to do. Okay, and then we can, once again, we'll just tighten those down with our Allen key. Nope, that one didn't wanna. Okay. Make sure that's fairly straight looking. And we can just tighten that down. Oops, man, our Allen key just wants to keep jumping out of there, doesn't it? Okay, there's one. Okay, there's nice and snug. These two. There's one. And then our final one, just go ahead and tighten up as much as you can with the little portion and then switch over to the long one to give yourself a little bit more leverage so you can make it nice and snug there. Okay, that's it for that one. Align the armrests with the pre-drilled holes under the seat. Okay, so the armrests are going to go on there too. Let's go ahead and stand this up so you guys can see. There's how we did it, the front facing the front there. Now the armrests should be able to go one way, I think. Does it say left or right on these? Line the armrests with the pre-drilled holes under the seat cushion and secure the left and right. Don't see. Oh wait, I should say something left or right somewhere on these. I'm not really seeing it. But I would think that the thinner portion right here is for the front of the chair. So I'm going to do that with the front right there. All right, and then we are using also the eye, so the same screws that went in there. Okay, there's one. And depending on how wide you want your armrests, you can adjust those. So I'm just gonna do it right in the middle pretty much. And then we can tighten that down. Okay, same thing with this one. There we go. And there we go. All right. Our next one is just going to go right here. And just going to tighten that one down. And this one's going to go, I'm putting it right in the middle there and tightening that down. So. Okay. There we are. And oops, just going to start dropping the Allen key again. Okay. There we go. I didn't like that. Have to be, with these, you just got to make sure that it's in there nice and straight, because they want to try to pop out. So you got to push on it while you're doing that. There we go. Okay. That looks pretty good. Align the pre-drilled holes under both sides of the backrest. Okay, so we need our backrest on there. Let's go ahead and just actually put this into here. I think we'll be okay to put that on there. That is looking really good, actually. Look at that. That is smooth. Spot there. Okay. All right. Next we have our backrest. These are going to go right on there. Just like that. And these are going to be the J ones. So I'm going to go ahead and get my J ones out first. There's 4 of those. And we have 4. Oh man, that is cushy. That is nice. Look at this lumbar support there. It's like a little spring fed thing. Okay, so we're just gonna line these up and pretty much just like this. This one bends back and forth, so you wanna get that one in first. And with the other ones, just kind of make sure that it is. Okay, just it's a little bit stiff, but that is fine. Perfect. Get this one screwed in. And we're about done here. Goodness, I'm just throwing the Allen keys around, aren't I? There's one there. And we'll tighten this one down now. Just go ahead and tighten it most of the way with the little one and then finish it off with the other one. But I'm going to actually give us some room over here. Get this one tightened on there a little bit. There we go. And we got this one now. Kind of line that up. Just like this. Okay. Get this one in the rest of the way. We're almost done, my friends. Okay. Okay, look at that. We're about ready. That is looking really nice there. And then we just take our other little covers here. So this is going to cover that like pretty much perfectly, I think. Let's see here. That goes under that. Should just snap down right over that. There it is, perfect. Look at that. Like it was made for it. And then we just have these two other little screws. These are the L's. Where did my Allen key go? Oh, there it is. It was hiding. Okay, and this one, we're just going to put it right here. See what would be the easiest way to put that on there. Maybe, actually, let's see if I can see first. Kind of line it up, then put it in there. There we go. So kind of look through there. See if it's going in. I think it is. But is it? There we go. Maybe give it a little pressure. There we are. And you just tighten that down so it's snug on there. And that covers that up nicely. So no metal parts there, just that nice soft plastic. And we have our other side here also. And that's just gonna cover this portion up right here. All right, so where's my hole? Right there. Looks pretty good. There we go. Well, that is pretty comfy. Let's give this a little test run, shall we? Has this here too for the head if we want. Okay, let's try it out here. All right, well, here we go. Oh, that lumbar thing is really nice right there. It's perfect. Put this little pillow and it's like right on your neck. These armrests are really comfortable. It's like perfect size, has a little contour for it, fits right there. That is nice. We also have this little lever right here if we want to go. Whoa. So still comfy. You can adjust this to wherever you want, whatever your gaming comfort is, but lots of room here. Super cushy. Actually, this is really comfortable. You can adjust the height, lower it or raise it up. And then this also, if you want it to rock back, you can, or lock it in place. So just like that. And you can adjust that with the screw here in the bottom if you want it looser or something, so it's easier to tilt back. But with the way that this reclines, I like how this lumbar is like spring loaded. It pushes like perfectly right on the small of the back, and you just rotate around. Really nice chair, very comfortable, good size. And like I love the the green accents on there with the stitching. Looks really nice with this. So very comfortable gaming chair, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. You'll have a great day out there. And I'll see you next time.